Oh, we about to fuck.
1,000 views.
Yep.
We're totally famous.
Well, I don't know if we're famous, but we're definitely on the right track.
No, you idiot. We're famous.
Nope.
Oh man, I gotta start working out. Paparazzi's gonna have a field day with this weight.
You look fine.
Get out of the way.
Okay.
Babe, you know that condo you've been looking at? Yeah, buy it, now.
I don't think you want to do that. Oh, Jesus Christ.
How is new? Celebrity would be glorious.
Man, this South Beach diet is not all it's cracked up to be. I'm craving carbs.
It's been like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm already starting to see some definition. Six packs are really coming in.
You guys, I have an announcement. I'm getting married.
I call best man, and we're getting Danish hookers at your bachelor party.
Why are they Danish?
Because no matter how far you go, they never scream.
Oh, I gotta stop skipping meals. Marlene, my nutritionist, is working me like a dog.
Are you serious?
Oh, this cat food has too many calories. I'm gonna spew.
C'est la vie, calorie.
James,
Yeah.
I'm getting a divorce.
You don't have a wife.
She was cheating on me. What am I gonna tell my kids?
You don't have kids.
Ooh.
Food! Where's the fucking food?
There's cookies and cream in the freezer. Take it. It's yours now. Oh yeah.
Can we all just calm down?
My child support payments are piling up, and you want me to calm down? You calm down, you self-righteous prick.
Curtis, what do you think? I just want to do more videos.
Like what?
I don't know, like what we've been doing, but with a twist.
So something fresh, yet familiar at the same time.
How about a music video?
Fuck yeah!
I'm glad things are back to normal.
Curtis, were you dead?
No. But my drug dealer is.
We should probably dump that body.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, aren't you guys from Wolf Punch?
I fucking told you we're famous.
Wolves don't talk.